there's a distant relative who did a whole family tree on my father's side, on the Jankelowitz side, and has traced everyone since, I think, 1790, from the original Yankel. That makes Jankelowitz the name, and everyone is traced for. And in fact, she went back to Kruk 2 years ago, I believe, and she went to the cemetery. And she met someone, a non-Jewish woman, a Lithuanian woman, who was 94, who told her about the people who did not escape the Holocaust, that did not come to South Africa or the United States, and how they were marched off to Zaga, which was about 40 kilometers away, and they were shot there the day after Yom Kippur. The Lithuanians, they were major collaborators, came in on Yom Kippur to the shtetl synagogue, and they marched the Jews to Zaga, and they shot all the Jews of Kruk who were remaining, who hadn't escaped. They shot them in. There's a mass grave. There's actually a monument now. That's how the community of Kruk ended, and the community of Zaga. Interesting, both strands of grandparents of both sides were within 30 miles of each other. And this distant relative that I mentioned to you, who went back to Kruk, met this woman, and she told a story of a young boy, I think he was a distant cousin, who was shot, but he feigned being shot. The bullet didn't hit him. He fell into the pit, and at nightfall he scrambled out and walked back to the town, and this woman and her husband hid him for the duration of the war.